Hello friends and welcome to Bhartiye products. 3-roller pipe bending, geared for precision and power. Master the art of pipe bending with the revolutionary 3-roller pipe bending machine and gear. Say goodbye to uneven bends and inconsistent results. This powerhouse machine combines powerful gear-driven operation with the precision of 3 rollers, effortlessly transforming straight pipes into flawlessly curved masterpieces. Imagine this: effortless control. Simply adjust the rollers, feed your pipe, and watch as the gears smoothly bend it to your desired angle. No manual cranking required. Unmatched precision. Achieve perfectly uniform bends, even with complex shapes, thanks to the precise control offered by the 3 rollers. Versatility redefined. Bend a wide range of pipe materials and diameters with ease, making this machine a true asset for diverse projects. Enhanced efficiency. Boost your productivity with the machine's fast and consistent bending process. Durable construction. Built with robust materials and reliable gears, this machine ensures long-lasting performance. Whether you're a seasoned metalworker or just starting out, the 3-roller pipe bending machine in gear is your key to professional-grade pipe bending. Dive into this video to explore its features, witness its capabilities, and discover how it can elevate your metalworking projects to new heights. If you like our machine, so contact us and also visit our website for more related products.